Hello everyone, welcome to my channel English with Nusrat. I am super excited. It is a podcast today. I am thrilled to have with Bharti ji. Hello Bharti ji, how are you?
I'm okay. Thank you for inviting me. I'm very delighted to be part of this podcast.
Okay, I'd like to ask some question related to your journey. Uh, the first question is that what motivated you to start learning English?
Well, um, in starting, I want to talk in English, and basically I'm from a rural area, and whenever I used to see the person who was fluent at English, and then I want to speak English like them. So my journey has started for a long time, and I think I took a long time to be little bit fluent according to me in English.
Okay, little bit you fluent.
Yes, I think so.
Okay, that's good. And what is the most challenging the part of learning English for you?
Well, for me, the most challenges before me I had to face in my journey, that I was not have company to talk with. So no one was available for me to discuss with or talk to with in English. So it's my challenge for my journey.
Okay. And how did you overcome on that challenge?
Okay, actually, many times I used to think virtually I was on the verge of putting English learning, but suddenly I met you, wonderful, and I accept reverential and esteems Nusrat. And I talked to her, and she motivated me to continue with my English speaking journey.
Wow, that's good. Are you into reading, writing, or something else?
Yes, I think four pillars are there in journey of English learning. Writing and reading, they are interconnected, and speaking and listening.
Okay, so what kind of the
They
content
are
would you like
interconnected.
to listen?
Um, Most of the videos I like to listen to philosophy or history or the other podcast that are going on nowadays.
Okay.
But most of them, I would like to see your
Oh,
postcast.
is it
Yes,
fruitful? Is it
that's why I'm saying
fruitful?
you.
Is it fruitful?
Yes,
Wow, it's my goodness.
definitely.
Okay. And how much time do you spend in order to learn English?
In order to learn English, I randomly open any book, and sometimes I watch videos on my phone.
Okay, so you haven't fixed any time,
But
one
not
hour, 2 hour.
regularly.
Whenever you get to spare time, you always prefer to do something for learning. Am I right?
Yes, yes,
Okay,
sure,
that's
you are
good.
right.
And with whom do you practice these days?
I'm not doing practice by anyone.
Okay. Then how to improve your
I have
speaking English? You are not
I
doing
have joined
practice.
Samsar's group. I have joined Samsar's group.
Okay,
On that group, I
okay, you
met
join.
Nusrat.
Okay, that's good. You joined Sam's group and you practice over there and you met so
Yes,
many students. That's good. Whenever you get
yes.
to spare time, have you ever visited any historical place and try to connect with nature?
Yes, I always visit any historical place and any nature's sites. I always plunge into their beauty of nature, and I feel sharon in my heart. I feel sorrow, solace, and peace in my heart and soul.
Okay. Could you tell me about your qualification?
Not much. I'm not much qualified. I have done my MA just
In which language?
mm, English, but
Wow, that's
I
great.
was not good at that. But I was not good. I accept this reality. I
Mhm.
was not good at English when I have completed my MA. But I am regular. I have been continuing with my English learning. So there is a vast difference between that time and now because I never quit learning.
Okay, tell me one thing. Ever since you joined the SAM group, and did you get any improvement?
Yes, I couldn't find myself to speak some sentence correctly because I didn't have confidence and I was kind of pessimist.
You
But
and Binita
Shweta
Didi.
and other learners promoted me a lot. And
Okay.
at that time, I braced myself. I mustered my rest courage and I started to speak English. And I'm very thankful to Samin sir and I am very grateful to you because you are my ideal.
My God.
Really, you are very younger. You are very younger to me.
Yeah.
I'm very older. I accept it. But in the starting, I said to you, my esteemed and reverential
Mhm.
Nusrat.
Hmm.
That's why
Okay,
I greeted you.
could you tell me about your hobbies?
Yes, my hobbies are um, listening to music and reading books and write stories and to do some social work and teach. I can teach Sanskrit, I can teach um, many things that I know about them. I have a little bit knowledge. I can try to impart everything to others.
Okay, the how many language do you speak?
I can speak Sanskrit a little bit
Okay,
as well
Sanskrit
as
also. Yeah. Is it hard? Sanskrit language?
not. It's very easy for me.
Mm-hmm. Wow, it
It,
is very easy for
easier,
you, just like a piece of cake.
easier than English.
Okay. Yeah, I wanted to learn the Sanskrit language, but my schedule is so hectic and I couldn't get to time. But I like.
Yes.
Okay, so do you like to mingling with the people?
Yes, I mix up with persons very easily.
Okay. Have you ever faced any difficult while learning English and did you learn something from it?
I I had faced many difficulties. I had faced very hardship in learning English. In my opinion, learning English and English is not easy task
Mm-hmm.
because I took a long time. I believe in correct speaking and correct writing and reading.
Okay. I have one question. Some
I
people
can
are
say learning English is not to walk in the park.
okay. Do you believe in English grammar is important for learning
Yes,
English?
absolutely. Yeah, absolutely. Because if we are the such a family, all the family member always speak English 24 hours. If it is not in your family, in that condition, when we speak half an hour and 1 hour and we are listen, we are learning English, in that condition, learning grammar is essential part of learning English. I wonder whenever the person say without using and without knowing grammar, please start speaking English like that. I can't imagine how it is possible without knowing grammar. How can we speak English? I
Yes.
don't believe in that idea.
Yeah, I'm in the same shoes. And
Not
tell
much
me,
grammar, but basic grammar. I should learn basic grammar.
okay,
Just like some uh, tenses and participles, gerund and infinitive, and passive and indirect, direct, indirect as well.
narration.
Yes.
Okay, so you mean to say that you
Yes,
practice related to the basic to intermediate. The basic has include only tenses, and if I talk about the intermediate level has includes gerunds, infinitive, passive voice, and speculations means models also.
yes, of course. And after that, we should learn idioms and phrases.
Okay, could you tell me one of the idioms right now?
Idioms just like that, draw a line and got a bin cat, and
Make a sentence.
okay, okay,
Yeah, tell
okay.
me one idiom
Just
and
like
try to make a
down
sentence.
up, look up and down on me. Some months ago, whenever I didn't join the group of Sabin sir, and you didn't meet you and Binita and Shwan Didi and other learners, I was very hopeless at that time. um, I noticed the person who are fluent at English speaking, they look upon down on me and always wink at me.
Okay,
So I thought they are sitting on high horse.
okay.
I don't believe that because everything, not just English, everything takes time to learn to be perfect at, and the process of learning is not the process of one day.
Yeah, it is not a one night
Everything takes
fight.
time.
Yeah, it is not a one night fight. It takes to time. But
Yes,
people
yes,
keep
yes.
the expectation in the beginning. Everyone wants to learn with enthusiasm, and in the mid of they give up because they fed up learning
Yes,
grammar, and even they don't get to environment and such a platform where they practice.
yes. I think so. And in my opinion, the hard work and perseverance and patience is the panacea of learning English and
Yes,
anything,
yes, hard
whether
work.
it is language
Mm,
or not.
yeah, hard works and destination. First, we should set the goal, and then we should walk and we should take the step just like a baby steps. And whenever you take a baby steps, like a daily uses sentence, simple sentence, we should start in this way. So definitely, we will speak slowly, just like a baby steps. But
Yes. I ag-
don't procrastination while learning English. Even we can't do the single day. Its impact on the next day on your fluency.
yes, I agree with you.
Okay.
You
Uh,
are
would,
absolutely correct.
Yeah, would you like to give any advice, any message to my viewers on the base of your knowledge?
Okay, I want to impart my heart to my viewers
Mhm.
that joining any group, Samin's group is best for me and I think for everyone. So everyone should join group. And in that condition, there are a lot of opportunity to speak and listen. And speaking and listening both are base of be fluent at English. So all, if we want to be good at English speaking, we should join any group. And I would like to suggest Samin's group. He's a
Okay.
very good teacher, and one thing is very good, best in my point of view, that is all learners of Samin sir are very helpful and they are kind. We think we all are just like a family. So in other group, I think rarely it is seen.
Yeah, you mean to say
In
that
other,
having the practice, you never hesitate while doing the practice,
yes,
and you always feel just like a family member. There is an atmosphere just like a friend circle,
yes, yes, and
right?
no one, no one is near to anyone. And one thing I want to add, um, as a suggestions, one thing is joining the group of Samin sir and seeing the postcard of you, podcast of you, English with Nusrat.
Yeah, yeah, I will do. Thank you. Thanks for giving
Yes,
me a suggestion. Definitely, I will do.
yes.
Okay, thanks for joining the podcast and you gave me your precious time. I enjoy a lot and conversation was so amazing. And my viewers also will learn so many things from you. Have a nice day.
Thank you. It's a God's grace, I think. I talked to you on this podcast. I couldn't such imagined that
Mhm.
I could say something in a
Okay.
podcast. So thanks a lot for giving me such a beautiful, grand opportunity. Thank you.
Okay, bye.
Bye.